countries and nationalities for North and Central America. The word for country in Spanish is país, and the word for countries is países. If we want to say countries of North and Central America, we can say países de Norte y Centroamérica. Let's learn the names for countries in North and Central America. Canadá, Estados Unidos, México, Guatemala, Belice, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panamá. A person from Canada is canadiense. A person from the United States is estadounidense or americano. A person from Mexico is mexicano or mexicana. A person from Guatemala is guatemalteco or guatemalteca. A person from Belize is beliceño or beliceña. A person from El Salvador is salvadoreño or salvadoreña. A person from Honduras is hondureño or hondureña. A person from Nicaragua is nicaragüense. A person from Costa Rica is costarricense. A person from Panama is panameño or panameña. It's important to mention that when talking about someone's nationality, you can either say which country they're from or use their nationality. For example, Pablo es de México. Pablo is from Mexico. Or Pablo es mexicano, which means Pablo is Mexican. Jackie es de Estados Unidos. Jackie is from the United States. Jackie es estadounidense. Jackie is American. Phil es de Canadá. Phil is from Canada. Phil es canadiense. Phil is Canadian. José y Carla son de El Salvador. Jose and Carla are from El Salvador. José y Carla son salvadoreños. Jose and Carla are Salvadoran. Ellos son de Belice. They are from Belize. Ellos son beliceños. They are Belizeans. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on country names and nationalities for North and Central America. Once you familiarize yourself with the material, you can continue on to the next lesson. And don't forget to do the practice exercises in the practice and review video lesson for this module. See you in the next video.